Let's take a look at the differences between an under-extracted espresso versus a full-body, perfect shot espresso. In an under-extracted espresso, the flow of espresso is fast, the crema generated is minimal, and the desired yield of 60 grams from a dose of 18 grams took only 17 to 18 seconds. Let's take a look at the pressure during extraction. As you can see, the pressure is below the desired pressure of at least 9 bar, and it is only hovering between 5 and 6 bar. The espresso in this case will be sour and flat. A perfect shot of espresso will have a regulated flow, like honey flowing into your cup, full of crema, and will take about 25 to 35 seconds to pull 60 grams of espresso. In this case, it was 30 seconds for a yield of 60 grams. Let's take a look at the pressure during extraction. As you can see, the pressure is steady at 9 bar. The espresso in this case will be full body and with distinct taste notes of the coffee beans used.